Hello, my name is Thomas Lemke and I welcome you to the Aenova site in Bad Aibling. In our Center of Excellence, we are specialized in the production and packaging of effervescents and blisters. The site's core competence is its high flexibility and a wide variety in packaging solutions. Our main goal is to fulfill all individual requirements of our clients. We are a reliable partner and are looking forward to successfully delivering your project.
Bad Aibling is Aenova's Center of Excellence for blister packaging and high-volume effervescent tablets. We offer full service, from manufacturing and analytics to delivery, with customized packaging solutions and rapid time to market. Many years of trusted cooperation have led some of our customers to co-invest in packaging lines.
In our production, we consistently strive to improve our quality standards to achieve results that exceed GMP guidelines. Our main priorities are high flexibility and on-time delivery, and we are always willing to go the extra mile.
Manufacturing effervescent granules and tablets packed in tubes and strips is one of our core competencies. Our high-volume effervescent production for pharmaceuticals and food supplements offers a wide range of technologies, complemented by individual and innovative solutions. In granulate manufacturing, we use state-of-the-art technology, and our constant in-process controls guarantee the highest level of quality. The Aenova Manufacturing System, or AMS, board has been further developed by our site, making it best in class within the group. Process optimization and a steady exchange of ideas make our team successful and well prepared for future tasks. In addition to our production capabilities, we continuously invest in energy optimization and sustainability programs, including solar power panels, a thermal power plant, and an employee bike leasing program. Aenova is strongly committed to social responsibility. Since 2007, our Bad Aibling site has been supporting disadvantaged young adults by offering apprenticeships as warehouse specialists to help them start their professional lives. Many employees in Bad Aibling are long-term employees, and our clients' projects benefit greatly from their specialized knowledge, long-standing networks, and high levels of loyalty and passion.
My name is Peter Droffer. I am the logistic manager and have been working at Aenova for 31 years. The company offers many opportunities to deliver, and I like the team spirit.
But see for yourself. We are looking forward to welcoming you to Aenova Bad Aibling.